Gun violence is now the leading cause of death for children and teens in the U.S., according to the CDC. That increase in firearm-related injuries is increasing nationwide and in our region. Thanks for joining us tonight at 5. I'm Brian Jackson.
And I'm Nia Wong. Today on this National Gun Violence Awareness Day, local programs are working together to address the issue. Fox 13's Frankie Thompson joins us from the county's community event on how it's taking action against gun violence.
Gun violence is a public health issue, and our kids are at the greatest risk. That's why Public Health Seattle and King County's Regional Gun Violence Program is hosting community events like this, giving out free lock boxes to help save lives.
The factory code is 000. You can open it up.
With every gun secured in a lockbox, a life could be saved from gun violence.
If our young people are dying and it's the leading cause of death for children, it is absolutely a public health emergency. And it's at a point in this country where it's being recognized as such.
A lot of this stuff is preventable.
The goal is keeping guns out of the hands of young people and those intending to cause harm.
My brother's car was right there when its windows got shot out not a year or two ago.
It's why Public Health Seattle and King County's Regional Gun Violence Program is giving free lock boxes to secure firearms and increase safety.
One of our harm reduction strategies, recognizing that we're not going to end gun violence overnight, is to make sure that people understand that if they own a gun, that they need to safely store the gun.
When asked where America's backbone is, I said it is here on 23rd and Jackson.
The group toured several communities across King County, giving away the lock boxes, even in some places that have experienced gun violence before, like 23rd and Jackson in Seattle.
We've lost so many people in this community to gun violence right here in this parking lot.
This parking lot is now the place where community members join together to reclaim the safety of their neighborhood.
It takes all of us. It takes all of us.
Jason Bellina is one of the first parents in line to get a lockbox.
We already have the conversation about firearms, but with children, you just never know. So it's important to just keep it locked up and safe.
The health department says there has been an increase in firearm-related injuries and deaths in King County over the past 3 years. Recognizing the risks, securing guns can't be the only solution. Advocates say increasing awareness and education is just as important.
We know that background checks help, but more people need to know statistically how that is helpful. We know that safe storage is important in our communities, but we need everybody in the community to be aware of the simple, the common sense ways that we can work together as a community on both sides, in the middle, up and down, to solving this together.
And today kicks off Wear Orange Weekend now through Sunday. Wearing orange is a national movement to recognize the people who have been injured or lost their life from gun violence. Reporting in Seattle, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.